Although we encounter Seoul every day, how deeply do we truly know this city? As you walk along the familiar waters of the Han River, there is a secret course where you can encounter everything at once. From the wide open sky, 250 meters above the ground, to the history of loyalty and patriotism of the Joseon Dynasty and contemporary art in Paris. Today, we guide you to the most sensory day hidden away by Yeouido and Nodeul Riverside. Our first journey begins at the highest point of the 63 building, a symbol of Seoul. The 63rd floor rooftop, formerly a helipad, of the 63 building in Yeouido has been reopened for the first time in 16 years and opened on June 4, 2026, as a new complex cultural observation deck called 63 Sky Picnic. It is a brand new hot spot where visitors can enjoy a 360-degree panoramic view of the Seoul skyline from a height of 250 meters without any glass windows. The route is designed so that a single admission ticket allows access to both the indoor media art observation deck on the 60th floor and the outdoor rooftop on the 63rd floor. With no glass walls or structures obstructing the view, visitors can fully enjoy the sunset and night view while feeling the refreshing breeze of Seoul. The 60th floor main observation deck is a complex exhibition space that utilizes hundreds of mirrors to create an infinite reflection of visitors and the panoramic view of Seoul. The 60th floor immersive theater and special exhibition hall showcases media art that deconstructs and reassembles Seoul's four seasons and cityscapes, while diverse hologram exhibitions continue seasonally. The Starbucks 63 Sky Picnic branch is located on the 60th floor and features a Starbucks where visitors can enjoy a relaxing time with a beverage while admiring the view of downtown Seoul. Gazing at the Han River flowing beneath your feet and the city center shrinking to the size of a toy, you take in the widest possible embrace of Seoul. Descending from the sky, the place you encounter is a vast world of art, the Centre Pompidou Hanwha. It is a world-class contemporary art platform that officially opened on June 4, 2026, in the annex of the 63 building, formerly the aquarium. It is the third official branch of the Centre Pompidou National Art and Culture to be unveiled globally, following those in Malaga, Spain, and Shanghai, China. Its key features include a unique architectural style that perfectly reinterprets the former aquarium facilities, and the opportunity to encounter original works by contemporary art masters from the Paris main branch in a permanent, annual exhibition in Seoul. Designed by the world-renowned French architectural master Jean-Michel Wilmot, the existing annex of the 63 building underwent a complete renovation. Utilizing translucent double-layered glass, the design allows natural light to penetrate deep into the building during the day, while internal light illuminates the city at night. Inspired by the soft lines of traditional Korean roof tiles, the building's exterior curves boast a unique aesthetic amidst the modern Yeouido skyline. Spanning a total of 11,000 square meters, it features two large main exhibition halls, each measuring approximately 1,600 to 1,650 square meters. In particular, Gallery 1 on the second floor features a ceiling height of 7 meters, perfectly accommodating large-scale installation art. Starting with the ongoing inaugural exhibition, The Cubists, Inventing Modern Vision, you can experience the essence of 20th century modern art firsthand. Approximately 90 works by masters who changed the course of modern art. Upon entering the basement lobby, visitors are greeted by a large bronze sculpture by Raymond D'Issenvillain, a representative piece from the collection of the Centre Pompidou in Paris. In addition, the facility features a cafe on the first floor, making it the perfect place to spend the entire day enjoying art. The 63 building has undergone a complete renovation as a global multicultural complex, completely renewing its existing underground food court and ground floor spaces. Transforming from a simple food court format, it has evolved into a high-end gastronomic space that combines renowned restaurants from across the country, trendy food and beverage brands, and culture and art. Breaking away from the conventional concept of ordinary food courts or restaurant districts, it features a carefully selected lineup of famous guide-recommended eateries from around the nation and trendy global brands. Along with attracting the Korean branch of the Centre Pompidou in Paris, the 63 building has been reborn as Yeouido's representative lifestyle landmark, harmonizing high-quality gastronomy with art. If you have enjoyed dazzling modern art, how about taking a trip to a little piece of Europe just a 10-minute walk away? It is Ankara Park, located in the heart of Yeouido. Opened in 1977 to commemorate the sister city relationship established between Seoul and Ankara, Turkey in 1971, it is a hidden gem perfect for a quiet and unique getaway within the city. In the center of the park stands an exotic two-story building constructed in the traditional Turkish style, meticulously recreating a traditional vineyard house in Ankara. The building features a harmony of dark brown wooden frames and white walls, giving the feeling of being in a small European village. Inside, folk artifacts donated by the Turkish government are on display, offering a glimpse into Turkish history and culture, such as traditional wedding attire from the 16th to 19th centuries, silver mirrors, tableware, and handicrafts. Throughout the park, Turkish-style sculptures and charming stone paths topped with red tiles are also laid out. Benches with traditional patterns handcrafted by Turkish artisans, sister city monuments, and Turkish-style fountains are placed throughout the area, offering small sights to see. Now, crossing Yeouido, we enter the deep history of the Nodeul Riverside. As you climb the hill along the pine-forested path, you will encounter the Sayuksin History Park, where loyal subjects who sacrificed their lives to uphold their fidelity to King Danjong of the Joseon Dynasty rest. The 6 loyal subjects were executed or committed suicide after being discovered by Grand Prince Seong, King Sejo, the 7th king, while plotting to restore King Danjong, the 6th king, to the throne. As representative figures symbolizing loyalty, a Confucian value of the Joseon Dynasty, their titles were restored posthumously during the reigns of King Yongzhou and King Jeongzhou, and they were officially recognized as symbols of loyalty. Situated on a sand dune hill along the Han River, the park retains the beautiful topographical features of the historical gateway used to cross the river and enter Hanyang. Inside the park is a 2-story history museum. It easily explains the history of the Joseon Dynasty, from King Danjong's dethronement to the full story of the restoration movement led by the 6 loyal subjects, through media displays and life-size models. The final stop of today's journey is right here at Space K Nodeul. Opened in 2025, this Han River waterfront complex cultural space and massive media art cafe was created through the complete remodeling of the former Noryeongjin water intake station, which had been abandoned since its construction in 1974. Situated along the Han River near Nodeul Station, it boasts an unrivaled location offering a panoramic view of the Hangang Bridge and Nodeul Island from its rooftop. It creates a unique atmosphere by preserving the rough, vintage concrete framework of the water intake facility, which had been left as a derelict building by the Han River for over 30 years, while adding modern architectural aesthetics. With a structure that extends from the basement to the first floor and up to the rooftop, visitors can enjoy the fun of exploring unique seating and photo zones hidden in every corner of the space as they walk up the gentle zigzag ramp. Beyond being a simple cafe, it aims to be a global K-culture playground where K-pop, media art, Hangul education, merchandise shows, and rental pop-up stores are continuously held. As evening falls, the entire main hall and lounge inside the building transform into a giant media canvas. Vivid wave videos inspired by the flowing Han River are screened, ranging from immersive art that collaborates traditional Korean art with K-pop. From the expansive sky of the 63-building Sky Picnic to the artistic inspiration offered by the Pompidou Centre Hanwha and Space K Nodeul, and the exotic scenery of Ankara Park and the weighty history of the historical park, such beautiful destinations for wandering were hidden close by, even without traveling far. I hope that the wanderlust within you, your yearning for travel, has awakened a little.